Are you craving a getaway that mixes the great outdoors with that signature Disney magic we all love? If so, this is the video you won't want to miss. Today we're taking you on a full tour of Disney's Wilderness Lodge, an extraordinary Disney World resort where the beauty of the American wilderness collides with the wonder of Disney. We've got all the insider details, and trust me, you'll want to stick around to the end. So grab your trail mix, lace up those hiking boots, and let's head over to Disney's Wilderness Lodge. Hey there friends, I'm Erica and I'm so glad you're here today. If you're new to the channel, we'd love for you to hit that subscribe button and join in on the fun. We share Disney Resort life, budget planning tips, and a whole lot of family fun in between. Now, if you've been planning your next Disney World vacation, then you know the options for resorts can be super overwhelming. We've all heard of the iconic places like the Contemporary, Animal Kingdom Lodge, and the Polynesian. But here's a little secret for you. Disney's Wilderness Lodge may just be the hidden gem you didn't know you were looking for. Ready to see why? Let's jump in. Now let's talk about the resort itself. Disney's Wilderness Lodge is a deluxe resort set on the tranquil shores of Bay Lake, offering breathtaking views and a peaceful vibe. Technically, it's part of the Magic Kingdom resort area, but since it's not on the monorail loop, it often gets overshadowed by its nearby neighbors. More on that later, but for now, just imagine wooded forest, rustic charm, and Disney magic all in one place. The theming here is inspired by the Great American National Parks. Think massive timber beams, grand stone fireplaces, and a towering lobby that makes you feel like you've stepped into a majestic lodge hidden deep into the wilderness. It's the kind of place where you just can't help but stop and take in all the details because there's just so much to explore. As you wander through the resort, you'll feel like you're in a serene mountain retreat surrounded by tranquil woods and calming streams. It's the perfect balance of relaxation and adventure. The resort is divided into three main sections: the main lodge, Copper Creek Villas and Cabins, and Boulder Ridge Villas, which is the Disney Vacation Club area. With 2 pools, tons of activities, and some of the best dining on property, this place has something for everyone. And stay tuned because coming up, I'm going to share all my top tips for enjoying the perfect pool day at Disney's Wilderness Lodge. But first things first, let's talk about where you'll be staying. Wilderness Lodge offers a variety of room types, and they've got something for every kind of traveler. In the main lodge, you can choose from 3 room views: Resort View, Water View, and Fireworks View. The Resort View rooms face the resort grounds or the parking lot. The Water View rooms typically overlook the pool area or the Copper Creek that runs down from the lobby to the pool. But if you're lucky, you might even score a view of Bay Lake, though those seem far less common. And finally, the Fireworks View gives you a front row seat to those Magic Kingdom fireworks. All rooms come with either a king bed or 2 queen beds and can be upgraded to club level for extra perks and concierge service. The deluxe rooms are a little bit larger with a sleeper sofa, making it perfect for groups of up to 5. Over at Copper Creek and Boulder Ridge, you'll find studio rooms, 1, 2, and 3 bedroom villas, and even 2 bedroom cabins by Bay Lake. These are perfect for a more homey, rustic feel with a kitchenette and extra space, especially if you're traveling with a larger group. During our stay in July of 2024, we booked a standard water view room, which overlooked Copper Creek Springs Pool. The room was cozy with whimsical touches inspired by Bambi, a nice subtle Disney touch. It was comfy and bright, but at a deluxe price, we were hoping for a better view of Bay Lake. I mean, this room before our pass holder discount was $622 per night. Certainly not a cheap price point. Still, it was a spacious room with some great amenities. If you're looking for more on our water view room, we did a full tour and review over on our channel, giving you an inside look and sharing our top room requests so you can snag the best room for your vacay at Disney's Wilderness Lodge. Alright, all this resort talk has me hungry. Let's talk about the food because Wilderness Lodge had some seriously great dining options. First up, we've got Artist Point, a signature dining experience straight out of a fairy tale forest. This character meal features Snow White, Dopey, and Grumpy, and you'll feast on dishes like prime rib and braised pork shank. It's definitely a hidden gem for character dining. For a more laid-back experience, Whispering Canyon Cafe is where the fun is at. The waitstaff at this table service restaurant are hilariously interactive, and the all-you-can-eat skillets packed with comfort food are a big hit with families. This isn't your typical dining experience, and it's a blast for all ages. Definitely a must-try if you're staying here. Highly recommended for some great family fun. If you're looking for a quick bite, the quick service option Roaring Fork has you covered with grab-and-go snacks and heartier meals. The perfect spot before you hit the parks or relax by the pool. We love the smoked turkey sandwich and the focaccia caprese. And don't sleep on Geyser Point Bar and Grill. This lakeside bar and grill is a hidden gem. The atmosphere is chill, the food is amazing, and you can enjoy your drinks while watching the sunset over Bay Lake. If you haven't tried their bison cheeseburger or their steak sandwich, you're missing out. This one probably makes our list of most underrated restaurants in Disney World. Now, let's talk about fun at this resort, because Wilderness Lodge is all about relaxation and adventure, and it's definitely the place to be for a resort day or a midday park break. First, the pools. They're amazing. The Copper Creek Springs pool is the main featured pool with natural rock formations, a water slide, and a splash zone for kids. Perfect for families of all ages. But if you're looking for a more peaceful vibe, the Boulder Ridge Cove pool is the quiet pool. It's a little more laid back with shaded pergolas and a zero entry seating. Perfect for kicking back and relaxing on a gorgeous Florida day. And here's a little secret. The Boulder Ridge pool is actually a DVC pool, but all guests can enjoy it. We personally spent multiple days as a family at Boulder Ridge Pool. It was definitely our go-to spot on our resort days. Want to know more about this resort's pools and activities? Head over to our channel for our full Wilderness Lodge pools and activities review. And that's not all. You can rent bikes, explore nature trails that wind their way through the wooded areas of this resort, or roast marshmallows by the lake. For a little extra relaxation, check out the Sturdy Branches Fitness Center or the full service spa. Your group can also enjoy a full arcade, and don't forget about the gift shop for all of your Wilderness Lodge and Disney merch. Okay, we gotta talk about the transportation here. While Disney's Wilderness Lodge is close to the Magic Kingdom, it's not on the monorail loop, so getting around can take a little bit of extra time. So, how do you get over to the Magic Kingdom? By boat, of course. And while the boat ride to Magic Kingdom is fun, it's certainly not the fastest. And for the other parks like Epcot, Hollywood Studios, and Animal Kingdom, you'll be relying on the Disney buses. So make sure to plan accordingly, especially since oftentimes Wilderness Lodge shares a bus route with Disney's Contemporary Resort. If you don't want to wait for the bus or boat, our pro tip is that you always can use the minivans by Lyft to zip around the resort and parks or over to Disney Springs for that dining reservation. Okay, now that we've covered all the highlights, let's talk about the pros and cons of staying here, because as much as I love this resort, every place has its ups and downs. Pros. The theming is top-notch. It's the perfect blend of Disney charm and rustic wilderness vibes. Perfect for nature lovers. The pools and activities are amazing, and we highly recommend a resort day or two here. And the dining options, especially Geyser Point, are fantastic. While Artist Point and Whispering Canyon get all the spotlight, please do not sleep on Geyser Point. It's this resort's hidden gem. Okay, now on to those cons. The lack of monorail access makes getting around a little more challenging and time-consuming, especially with the shared buses with the Contemporary Resort. Also, this resort's location is a little more secluded. Not a great option if you're looking to be closer to the action or within walking distance to a park or two. And this resort can get a little crowded and noisy, especially around the main pool during peak seasons. Looking for the full scoop on Disney's Wilderness Lodge? Don't miss our pros and cons video over on our channel for more details on why you should or shouldn't stay here. In the end, choosing the right resort always depends on the individual needs of your group. If you love the idea of escaping into the wilderness with all the comforts of Disney, then this might be your dream resort. It's the perfect blend of Disney magic and nature-inspired serenity. But if you're looking for more of a modern, high-energy resort experience with a little more hustle and bustle, there are other options to consider, such as Disney's Contemporary Resort, Disney's Yacht Club, or even Disney's Caribbean Beach. If you're still trying to decide on your dream Disney World resort, head over to our channel. We've reviewed Animal Kingdom Lodge, Yacht Club, Wilderness Lodge, Caribbean Beach, art animation, and more to help you find that perfect resort. And that's a wrap on our full overview of Disney's Wilderness Lodge. We hope this video helped you decide if this wilderness retreat in the heart of Disney World is the right fit for your next Disney trip. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more of our Disney World content. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye guys!